Hello friends, welcome to JET Students. In this session, we will try to understand that how to install a Node.js. Now, in order to do that, go to the browser and click on download Node.js, and this will lead to a website. And based on that, your operating system, install the installer. So currently I have Windows, so I will download this one, and it will take few seconds. Yes, it's done. Okay, now go to that folder and uh, double click on it. Now the installer will do the rest of the things. We just need to install it like a usual software. I accept the terms and license agreement, click on next. And remember this part, this is going to help us while setting the environment part for this Node.js. Click on next, click on next, install. So it will take few seconds. So uh, we will wait few seconds until it gets installed. This is updating the system and installing all the necessary files required for the Node.js. Okay, so it seems it has been installed. Now, how to verify whether it has been installed or not? Go to program files, go to C drive, go to program files, and here you will see a Node.js folder. So it means that it has been installed. Now, the second part is that we need to put the environment variable for this Node.js. So let's go to that and check the environment variable. And yes, so since I have already like installed it, now you can do that. Go to the environment variable and click on this one and put the variable name as node underscore home and put this path. This path is where your Node.js has been installed. It is in the C drive program files. Click on OK. So this is the one thing. Now there is one more folder that we need to put in our environment variable. So let's get and check it. So we need to have uh, one more folder of Node.js. Now go to Node modules and npm and bin. Okay, this is also required. So copy this location. It's under the Node.js node module npm bin. Copy this one and get back to the environment variable setup. Okay, now go to the path where you are checking the environment variable. Click on environment variable and here is the path. Click on edit and click on new and put your environment variable path here npm bin. Now put it over there also, and it is safer that you also put it by giving a semicolon and put this path, and this will save the node environment variable in your user environment variable and also on the system variable. Now click on OK. Now let's check whether it has been installed properly or not. Now go back to the cmd and type here node v, and this will show if it has been installed or not. Yes, we have successfully installed node. Thank you.